A curriculum being developed that will bring the Armed Forces Electronic and Mechatronics Engineering Workshop up to date in the installation and maintenance of modern fighting equipment. Army Commandant Abowe Odede says the new equipment being inducted by the Armed Forces requires improved capacity to manage. Defense Correspondent Sifon Essien reports on this.
The Armed Forces Electronic and Mechatronic Engineering Workshop was established in May 2015 by the Ministry of Defense with the support of the German government. The workshop provides training for service personnel and civilians to be able to maintain and service military equipment to meet all operational requirements. In a bid to meet up with the demands of the ongoing fight against terrorism in the Northeast, a number of modern fighting equipment have been inducted into the inventory of the armed forces. For this reason, the workshop, which doubles as a school, is developing a curriculum to meet the standards of the National Board for Technical Education. The objective is to bring the school up to date with the installation and repair of modern equipment as the Nigerian Armed Forces continue to induct new fighting equipment to its inventory.
As our weapons and our equipment are constantly upgraded, new ones are introduced. The services of highly trained personnel becomes essential.
We have so many other equipment apart from vehicles. We have the radar, we have the ID equipment and the rest. So they've been trying their possible efforts to make sure that all these equipment are functioning.
The workshop is a typical example of the German government support for the Nigerian Armed Forces.
Us is very important that we going hand in hand in a bilateral agreement where both partners take his burden. And we are very proud as a German government that Nigeria taking over the lead here. And we are supporters to doing something in a very, very good way.
The commandant of the workshop is optimistic that when the curriculum comes on stream, the operations of the armed forces would receive a boost. Sifon, Essien, TVC News, Abuja.
For more on the strategic plan by the Nigerian Army to maintain its fighting equipment, I'm now joined by Sifon Essien, our defense correspondent. Sifon, a new curriculum to actually boost training in maintenance of fighting equipment. How soon do we expect this curriculum to come into operation?
We expected that in the next 1 week, talking about between 5 and 7 days, the experts drawn from the National Board of Technical Education and the institution, the Mechatronics and Electronics School, would have come up with the curriculum. I must also state that the school has been in existence since 2015, established by the Ministry of Defense and with support of the German government.
Right, and this relationship with the German government about supporting the military, how exactly does it work? What else do we benefit as the military?
German government have said that this is their own way of supporting capacity development of the Nigerian Armed Forces, talking about the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, you know, improving capacity to be able to fight terrorism in the country. Now, the products of this workshop, come school, are to be deployed to fix, maintain military equipment in the theaters of operations to ensure they are in good shape for operations. And basically that's why the German government is also in this case providing technical support. Technical know-how for this institution is provided by the German government. That's why the German government sees this as a veritable means of supporting the Nigerian Armed Forces for effectiveness.
And defense correspondent Sifon Essien joined us from Abuja.